Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, my name is Akash and I am coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, December 1st, 2014. In weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 23 and a low of 13, with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Janae.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice.
In sports, the Bulls won against the Brooklyn Nets last night with a score of 102-84. Clubs meeting today are the Hoover Harmonics at 3 o'clock in room 115. Craft Club will meet in room 105 at 3 o'clock. The Garden Art Club is meeting in room 104 at 3 o'clock. And Club Unify will meet in room 101 at 3 o'clock. Here are some things to think about today. If the number 2 pencil is the most popular, why is it still number 2? Would a fly without wings be called a walk? Why is the time of day with the slowest traffic called the rush hour? That will keep you thinking for a while. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the second graders in room 120. Great job, second graders. Have a magical Monday.